the vision that we have as a company.
Yep.
We put some big numbers out there, and I'd love for you to talk about that vision.
Yeah, so you know the journey a few years back when we really wanted to put together a comprehensive purpose, vision, values, 10-year plan that we could rally the whole company around, along with aligning everyone in the company to a measurable and goals, not just yearly, but quarterly, that all cascade down from a bigger North Star. And as it said, without vision, the people perish.
Yeah.
And without clarity of purpose, as it's been said by famous guys like Simon Sinek, the greatest companies on the planet know why they exist. We put together a vision for the company, which is to be known as the best industrial IoT brand on the planet. And why would we want to lead a company that's not the best place to work? And we put out a growth number or a growth goal of 500 million, which at this point I think may be even too small.
I agree.
But you also have to be realistic enough for people that don't have all the data points from a guy like me who's been on the road for years and has been out in the market and has been able to really see the art of the possible. We've put that vision out there because it's important to have growth. And I also think we both agree with this. To really impact the planet for good, you have to have influence and a scope that matters.
Yes.
And so, we really do believe in our purpose, which is enriching people's lives. We know that the mega trend of IoT and smart connected solutions is big enough to outlive me for sure. And probably my kids. I mean, I just think that the world is going to become increasingly digital as time goes by, and being in that kind of a mega trend puts us in a position to last another 100 years or hundreds of years. And beyond that, I think it puts us in a position to sow into our purpose, which is enriching people's lives, our fellow coworkers, our employees, our partners, our customers, our vendors, and then with the profits that we're able to generate, be able to give back.